Let's talk about the 4D BIM. What we mean by a 4D BIM, the fourth dimension in the BIM. 4D BIM is an advanced digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a construction project. What this means is a digital representation of the physical characteristics. Simply, it adds the additional dimension of time to the traditional three-dimensional BIM model that we have created on Revit, for example. It also enables the project teams to visualize the construction process through the construction project life cycle that we have talked about earlier. By linking the 3D model with the project schedule, 4D BIM dimension allows the stakeholders or the project teams to simulate and analyze the construction sequence and identify potential conflicts that may arise. And it also helps them make an informed decisions when it comes to a clash or an issue that might arise during construction.